Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is EMBRYOLISSE, also known as OJ22. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. You did not stumble upon this video by mistake. It's by divine connection. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell just to get notified every time I post. Leave a comment down below telling me what you like to see on this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to this channel. Welcome back, the OGs. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. All right, so a quick introduction. I am a makeup artist and a hairstylist based in the USA. So if you have any video that you would like me to create, please leave it down in the comment section and I will do that. In this video, we're basically going to be doing makeup. Basically, I know that sometimes you see hair tutorial, but this time around I'm trying as much as I can to also post makeup videos every week also, but I'm still working on that, and I'll see how I'm going to do that. But I need to know what you guys think. Do you want me to create a makeup and a braiding tutorial like every single week, so I can actually do that? So let's just get right into this video. So the first thing you should do when you are doing your makeup is your skin prep. Your skin prep is like the foundation of your makeup. If your skin prep is bad, your makeup is not going to last as much as it should. So that is why I am using products that are very authentic, products that are very good, products that are very lovely, yet they are also very affordable. So for my moisturizer, I'm using EMBRYOLISSE moisturizer. Please do not forget to clean your face with wipes, baby wipes to be precise. That will help to remove every dirt on your skin, and it doesn't even have alcohol in it. So right now I am applying my primer. I'm using the Milk HYDROGRIP primer. If you're an OG when it comes to watching my videos, you know how much I love Milk HYDROGRIP primer, but I want to put you guys on another one, which is me just trying to be funny. So the primer that I'm talking about is the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful, mind-blowing. In fact, the way that thing grips your makeup and all of those things, honestly, I don't even know what to say. It is just very beautiful, and I also think that it's like $10 or so. I love it. So you guys can get into that if you cannot buy Milk HYDROGRIP primer. So for this video, I'm using my foundation. I don't remember the foundation shade, but I'll leave that in the comment section. Check my box and then I'll leave it in the comment section, so you guys can check the comment section to see every of the products that I used. One tip that I will give you is, please make sure that before you move on to any other products, when it comes to your skin prep, make sure that your previous product is already dried on your skin before you move on to using any other product. So in this video, as much as I'm going to be explaining makeup, I'm also going to be talking about some certain things. But before I go into it, this is the blush that I'm using. I'm using this Maybelline Superstar lipstick, the red shade, as our blush. You don't need to buy a blush palette to do your blush. Sometimes I use my eyeshadow to do blush, sometimes I use lipstick to do blush. It just depends on my mood. So this is the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. This is in the shade, I think caramel, or yeah, I think it's caramel. I'm going to leave it down in the comment section. And I also want to tell you guys, whenever I'm applying my concealer, I always spread it around the area that I want it to be. I use a little, by the way, and I just spread it around. The reason is because I just don't want it to just be in a place, because I realize that when I just put it in one place, those ways that they will put it in the inner corner and the outer corner, to me it just feel like the concealer will have full coverage on those areas, but once I spread it around, the full coverage will be spread around, if you get what I mean. I don't know if you understand, but let's just move on. So one thing I want to say is thank you guys for 600 subscribers, 600 amazing people. When I opened this channel, when I created this channel, I just wanted to have fun, honestly, just create videos and post them. I didn't really think people will really be interested, but I am so happy and I am so grateful to God and to you guys for, you know, subscribing and encouraging me to create more videos. I am super grateful. So that being said, one of the things that I want to talk about is products, and recently I realized something which is actually really funny. I never really, because in Nigeria they used to tell us that, oh, you can use some particular makeup for years, and I remember that I had some of my products with me for like a long time, and later on I started to make research about makeup, and I realized, you know, a lot of people say it online that, oh, after they use makeup they get a lot of reaction on their skin and all of those things. And I realized that, oh, if makeup, because makeup product is not supposed to be doing that to your skin, so if the makeup product is doing that, that means it is probably expired. And I know that a lot of people don't like to agree with that prompt, that makeup actually really they expire. And how do you know if your product has expired? You just check the back of any of your makeup, whether foundation, powder, or all of those things. But ideally, for your concealer, it should last you 2 years, your foundation too should last you a year, and your powder can also last you 2 years. But all of these products have their expiring dates like labeled at the back. I know some people have actually checked, but they do not know. So there is this, I am going to insert a picture on the screen. There is this thing like it's like a tube, and they always write 12 months or 24M. You see 12M or 6M, which means this product is supposed to last you for about 6 months, or this product is supposed to last you for about 24 months, and there are some they write 36M. So please put that into consideration when you are buying your makeup. I will advise you to check all of your products today to see whether, you know, you are using an expired product or not. Another way to also know that your product has expired is by whenever you see that the product is already giving you acne and breakout, it means that the product has expired and it needs changing. So I hope I've been able to help you to understand how to know if the makeup product that you are using has expired or not. So let's just get right into the video. Right now I'm just using my bronzer to do a nose contour. One thing I wanted to do, or I did in this video, is I didn't want everything to be too dark. I just wanted it to be a little, like, it should just complement our skin, because I've seen online where people actually use a darker bronzer to, you know, sculpt the face. They want it to be very snatched, but for this video I just wanted it to be as simple as possible. And you know the funny thing, it ended up looking so snatched, even though I didn't use a very dark bronzer to bronze a face. So right now I'm just using my MERAK cosmetic. That's a Nigerian brand, by the way, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm using that to just contour, you know, our nose. And now I'm using my benign clown for our eyeshadow. I want to tell you guys, if you want an eyebrow tutorial, please, I'm going to leave a link down in the comment section. You guys can watch, you know, the eyebrow tutorial there. I have a very detailed eyebrow tutorial there. Now the reason why I use benign clown is because it is white and it basically makes the eyeshadow pop. So anytime about, and the fact that it's also very thick, it holds the makeup in place, or your eyeshadow. Wherever you use benign clown, honestly, you just hold it, like it has this grip that is so amazing. Like your eyeshadow will last you the whole day. So one product that I'm using now is the same bronzer that I use as a nose contour. That is what I'm using, and then I'm going into my color book to just pick colors that I want for the eyeshadow. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you need me to explain anything when it comes to makeup, please leave it down in the comment section, and I will make sure to create a video talking about, you know, how to do those things. So please feel free. I'm also learning. Anytime I am doing a voiceover, I am also learning. I then realize that, oh, okay, this is nice, and I then try it. So as much as I am teaching, I am also learning. So please leave it in the comment section whatever you have like an idea on, because I just feel like, you know, this page is for all of us to learn. You know, sometimes I might be saying some things and it might not really resonate with you. So whatever you think that, oh, OJ, you know, I realized this when I was doing my makeup, I realized that one, please tell me so that I also will enjoy, you know, that thing, that idea or that thing that you just discovered, because we are learning all together, and one person in the comment section will actually see that thing you said as something really powerful, and they will also, you know, do that also. So right now I'm using my MERAK cosmetic eyeliner to just, you know, line our eye. See, this particular liner is actually very good. Most times I use it for my lips, and I call it the blackest charcoal pencil on the planet, because get into it, this thing is so dark that it just pops the eye. It's not dark to make the eye dull, but it's dark to make the eye pop. So it's one of my favorite on the planet. I absolutely love it. So right now I'm using my volumizing mascara. Please, you guys need to understand that there is volumizing mascara, and then there is the I don't know what it's called, I just checked that, but the volumizing mascara is to just create volume. All right, just like the name. So I'm using black to just smudge the under eye to give it that smoky look. You know, me and smoky eye, we are like 5 and 6. I just like when eye is very smoky. It could be a different color other than black. Please, you know, try this smoky eye thing, and please tell me the kind of makeup you guys like. I really want to know, so that I can also put that down in my book. So anytime I have a client, I can also, you know, do that for them. So do you guys like smoky under eye, or you guys just like, you know, just the eyeliner and that is it? For me, I love smoky under eye, so I just want to know what you guys, you know, think. So right now I am at the lip area. I love lips. I love lining lips. I love doing lipstick. I don't know if you guys can tell. Please guys, take a moment to look at my model. Look at how beautiful she looks. Like I was in awe. I was like, oh my god, I'm still in awe, to be honest. I'm just like, what? This is so beautiful. As much as I didn't want to do a lot, I still see it as a lot. I don't know what you guys think, but please let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this look. So because the lipstick that I was using was not as bright as I want, I decided to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. I will link it in the description, you know, box, so that you guys can, you know, get the shade if you want to. So right now I am using eyelashes. I am one of those people that don't like the tweezer. I just love using my hand, because I feel like I have more control over how I want to, you know, apply the eyelashes than using tweezers. Tweezers make me afraid. I'm always afraid anytime I use the tweezer. I'm always so afraid that, you know, that thing might get into their eyes. Yeah, so right now I am using my powder to just, you know, clean up the face. Basically, most times I use a finishing powder, but today I just decided to use, you know, the pressed powder. So this is my finishing powder. So this finishing powder is from MAC. So you guys can see that I didn't use only high-end makeup products in this video. I basically used some drugstore and some high end. I just like when they complement each other. So right now I'm using my Tehila palette. This is also a Nigerian brand. See, the way I am in love, whenever I want to do any dark skin, I always love using, you know, Nigerian brands, because I just feel like they did it just for black people, because no, they are absolutely beautiful. So guys, that is all for this look, and I want to tell you, this hair was created by me and it is a synthetic hair, but I was able to use my curling iron to like curl the hair. You guys are going to see how it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys love my chat today, and I hope, you know, you guys stay blessed and God bless you. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye and God bless you.